Start your day with nutritious morning meals. In this video, I will share with you the best morning foods you can add in your breakfast to stay healthy and energetic all day. Breakfast provides the energy and nutrients needed to start the day and play a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well being. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that breakfast eaters are more likely to maintain a healthy weight and less likely to overeat later in the day. But not all the breakfasts are healthy and nutritious. So, what you need to eat to stay healthy and energetic all day? In this video, we will share with you the best morning food you can take for better health. Number 1 is eggs. Eggs are nutrient-rich food providing a high-quality protein, essential vitamins, minerals and healthy fats supporting muscle health, brain function and overall well-being. A study published in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health found and suggests that incorporating eggs into breakfast may aid in appetite control and support weight management efforts. Fry them, boil them, or prepare scrambled eggs on an omelette, or you can just mix them with bread and veggies. Delicious and healthy breakfast is ready. Second superfood for your breakfast can be bananas. Bananas are nutrient rich, supporting heart health, digestion, energy levels, mood, and weight management while promoting healthy skin. Bananas are rich in potassium, magnesium, manganese, vitamin C, vitamin B6, folate, fiber, supporting heart health, digestion, and overall well being. You can add bananas to your meals just by topping them into oatmeals, adding into smoothies, slicing it on toast with peanut butter, or mixing them with yogurt or cereals. These delicious and healthy combinations will supercharge you for your day ahead. Next food you can add to your breakfast is oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, making it a perfect morning food. In a cup of cooked oatmeal, you can get 6 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and if we talk about minerals, you can get 150 milligrams of potassium, 60 milligrams of magnesium, 180 milligrams of phosphorus, and 1.5 milligrams of iron. Several studies, including one published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, have confirmed that consuming oats regularly can improve cardiovascular health. Oats contain beta glucan, a soluble fiber that has been shown to lower cholesterol levels, particularly LDL bad cholesterol, helping to reduce the risk of heart diseases. Oats help maintaining calorie intake as they provide a lasting feeling of fullness due to their high soluble fiber content, which slows digestion, prevent overeating, and stabilize blood sugar level. You can use oats in the breakfast by cooking them as oatmeal, blending them into smoothies, making overnight oats, or using them in pancakes or muffins. But always try to avoid artificial flavors or sweeteners to make your meal more healthy and nutritious. Next is flaxseed. If we talk about flax seeds, they are tiny, small, neutral, dense seeds known for their exceptional health benefits, packed with omega 3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants like lignans. They promote heart health, improve digestion, regulate blood sugar level, and support weight management. Additionally, flax seeds are rich in potassium, fiber, magnesium, phosphorus, and other essential nutrients. You can add flaxseed to your breakfast by mixing them into smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, baked goods, cereal, toast, or scrambled eggs. Next, we talk about the food is nuts. Nuts are highly nutritious, offering a wide range of health benefits due to their rich content of healthy fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Regular consumption of nuts can support healthy heart, aid in weight management, improve brain function, and provide a significant source of energy. Including nuts in breakfast is a simple way to boost the nutritional value of your morning meal. Adding nuts to your breakfast can enhance satiety, stabilize blood sugar level, and improve your digestive system. You must be thinking how you can add nuts to your breakfast. You can add nuts to your breakfast by mixing them in oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, cereals, or sprinkling them over a toast or pancakes. To conclude, I must say that a good breakfast fuels your body and mind, setting the tone of productive and healthy day. So make it priority and never miss it. Will you start taking these food in your breakfast? Comment below and tell us. For more useful videos, subscribe to my channel Cafe Iram with bell button and do like and share my videos as well. Thank you for your support and always supporting me. Thank you for watching.